Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title, we are going to decorate lollipops in the shape of spiders, ghosts, and vampires. I like to do things like this for the kids' class. I just don't like to send in regular snacks when they have holiday parties, so I like to decorate them a little bit. Makes it kind of fun for the kids or whatever. So that's what we're going to do today. It's really quick, really simple. You don't need a whole lot of items to create these little spooky characters. So before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to need to get started with your project is I have some tissue paper, white tissue paper. I thought I had black, but I don't, so I have a scrap piece of black fabric here. I have 3 different lollipops because I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can do this. I have some more of this fuzzy wire, as it says on the pack, or pipe cleaners, whatever you call them, and these are already pre-cut from our projects from last week. So I have 8 of each, some more googly eyes, and a piece of string or ribbon is your choice, as well as a Sharpie or a permanent marker, and I'm using black. So let's get into the first one. Okay, so our first one is actually going to be our quickest one. In this one, all we need is the lollipop, the marker, the string, and the white tissue paper. So I have mine kind of double folded here, just because when I practiced this before, when it was single folded, it showed through the sucker paper showed through. So I kind of don't want it to, so I kind of double it up. And you're just going to place it around the lollipop like this. And sorry for the humidifier again, guys. I know how you guys get about the noise in the background, so I want to apologize for that. It comes on every now and again. So I am just going to tie this little ribbon around here. Tie it in a bow. And there you go. Quick and simple. And of course I'm being super anal about the whole thing. I'm trying to make it perfect. I'm not feeling well today, guys. That's why I am doing a really quick tutorial. So, and I've also seen this to where people use coffee filters, but that is totally your choice. So I'm just going to give this little guy some eyeballs. And kind of a weirded out mouth. And here it is. So it's our little ghostly pop, or whatever you want to call it. And of course you can straighten this out and make it neater. You can use a different paper or fabric, whatever works best for you. But I thought this was really simple, really easy and cute. So instead of the kids just getting a regular sucker, they're getting one that's kind of decorated for whatever holiday it is. In this case, Halloween. So let's move on to the next one. So now that we're into the next one, I did forget this little cottony black cotton ball that we're going to need, and I will show you why really soon. So I'm going to place this on here with some hot glue, of course, or you can use regular glue, maybe tape, I don't know, but we're just going to stick that right there. And I'm going to put the googly eyes on. Be careful, guys. It's sticking to me. Sorry, it's taking so long, but it's sticking to me. Okay, so far this is what it looks like, and that's our little spider face. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and start putting our spider legs on. And what I'm going to do for these, I'm actually going to tape these together. I'm going to tape 4 together on one side and then 4 together on another side. So I don't want to use too much like hot glue on a sucker that children will be eating. I'm just kind of wrap the tape around here like so, and then kind of see where I want to attach it, or even if it will make its way around. Looks better in the back. So I think I'm just going to attach it kind of here to the back like that. Use some tape, and then I'll spread them out once I put the other one on. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just spread our legs out, make it look like a spider now. You can just put the legs however you want, kind of give them a creepy look. Spread them out a little bit. And mine looks a little awkward, but that's okay because I have the legs all which way here, but get the gist of it. So there we go with our second one. We have our creepy spider lollipop. And of course, you can always do yours different, whatever looks better. It probably would have looked better had I put the face a little bit down, but that's okay. It's kids. I don't think they're going to be nitpicking through everything like I am, but there's our second one. So here's our first one. And here's our second one. So we have a ghost now and a spider. Let's get into the third one. So for this one, I'm actually going to use one big eye and one small eye. And then we'll have our red legs and our black fabric. And we'll need just a tiny piece of felt for the mouth. So I'm going to do the same thing I did with the ghost, but I don't think I need all this fabric. So I'm just going to take this like so. This needs to be shorter. So we're just going to kind of cover like that. So I'm going to cut this right about here. So because I don't want it to hang, we're not making a ghost or anything like that. I just kind of want it covering the lollipop paper. So I'm just going to do that. I still have a piece of string here, so I'm going to tie this around to hold it. Tie it around the front too. Okay, bear with me. Okay. And put a little hot glue to hold those strings down so they don't unravel. Okay, so now I'm going to find this front part seems to be a little flatter to me, so that's where I'm going to put the eyes. So far so good. And then let's make us a mouth here. Okay, so I have a little mouth here. It's not really perfect, but it's mouth, so just gonna hot glue this on. Or you could use Elmer's glue, whatever you choose. Because I'm using fabric, not a lot of this glue is gonna adhere to the sucker wrapper. And this guy looks a little awkward with this mouth I made, but hey, he's there, right? Okay, so let's get these legs on, right? So what I'm going to do is pretty much the same thing I did with the previous and tape these together. That seems to be the easiest option instead of putting one by one. So now that we have the legs on, this is more of like a Dracula spider, if you ask me, but yeah. Okay, so you just play around with it. And these little pipe fitter things are so simple. You can just spread them and interchange them. If you mess up, you can start over, straighten the legs out and start over again. But here we have it for our quick and easy treat characters. We have a creepy sucker spider, we have a ghost, and we have a vampire spider. So like I said, these are really simple, really cute, something that you can give to the kids in your child's class, your grandchild's class, instead of just giving a plain old sucker. You know, you have decorated suckers. So if you come up with any other ideas, guys, tag me on Instagram. Like I said, I will be posting most of my updates and things like that on Instagram. I'm not really a Twitter or Facebook person too much anymore, but I do post on there. But the best way to tag me or to contact me like that would be through here or Instagram in my Insta stories. So again, thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you like this one. I just find it kind of fun to do crafts with your kids during Halloween. Unfortunately, mine are in school, so when they get home, we can do these together. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I see a lot of you guys are subscribing. I appreciate it so much because I'm waiting to get to 10,000 so I can do that giveaway. For those of you who are new and don't know that, I'm doing a big giveaway as soon as I reach 10,000 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Check out all my social media down below. Again, make sure you're following me on Instagram because that's where all my updates will be, as well as photos and video of me and my family, and of course all the projects we do throughout the week. And what else is down below? I think that's about it for today. So until next time, bye.